In this video, I will guide you on how to fix eBay app not opening. If your eBay application is not opening, then the first thing you want to do is make sure that your internet connection is stable. You want to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can also turn on the flight mode. Once you have turned that on, wait for at least 15 seconds, then turn it off. This should refresh the network. Now open eBay and check if your problem is fixed. If not, then you want to restart your phone. After restarting, try opening the app again. Next, you want to update the app. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for eBay. Here, if you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, you want to clear the app cache. For that, tap and hold on eBay and then tap on this app info icon. This should take you to settings. Here you want to scroll down and tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache, then head back. Now tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Once you have done that, launch open eBay and check if your issue is fixed. If not, then what you want to do is open up any web browser and here you want to search eBay down. Then open any reliable website such as Down Detector to check if there is any issue with eBay's server. If there is, you simply have to wait for a couple of hours until this issue is fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.